Are you the best electric snowblowers? Electric snowblowers are an essential tool for homeowners looking to efficiently clear snow during the winter months without the hassle of gas-powered machines. They offer convenience, lower maintenance, and environmentally friendly operation, making them ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and patio. Product 1. Voltas Cordless Snow Shovel. The Voltas Cordless Snow Shovel is the most affordable option in this lineup, priced at $229.99. This lightweight model, 9.3 pounds, is designed for small-scale snow clearing tasks such as patios, steps, and sidewalks. It features a 24-volt motor and a 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, providing a runtime of 25 minutes and a snow throwing distance of up to 20 feet. The adjustable ergonomic handle and dual safety switch make it user-friendly and safe, while the directional plate enhances control over snow placement. In performance tests, the Voltas excelled in light snow conditions but struggled with deeper or heavier snow. Its 13-inch clearing width and 6 product new Ego Power 2110 Peak Power 21-inch. The Ego Power 2110 is the premium option in this review, priced at $469. With a 21-inch clearing width, 56 V power, and a steel auger, it delivers exceptional performance for heavy snow and ice. The Peak Power technology combines two Ego 56V ARC lithium batteries, sold separately, for extended runtime and power. It features a variable speed auger, LED headlights for nighttime use, and weather-resistant construction, making it suitable for challenging conditions. During testing, the Ego Power Plus demonstrated superior snow clearing capabilities, throwing snow up to 40 feet. Product 3. Westinghouse W Snow 20 Corded Snowblower. The Westinghouse W Snow 20 is a corded electric snowblower priced at $179.99, offering a 20-inch clearing width and a 10-inch snow depth capacity. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it can throw snow up to 25 feet and plow 680 pounds per minute. This model includes dual LED headlights for visibility and a 180-degree adjustable chute for precise snow placement. Its lightweight design and rubber-tipped steel auger make it suitable for driveways and sidewalks. In testing, the W Snow 20 performed well in moderate snow conditions, providing consistent clearing without the need for battery charging. The corded design in product number Westinghouse W Snow 18 48-volt cordless snow. The Westinghouse W Snow 18 is a cordless snowblower with a 48-volt brushless motor and a clearing width of 18 inches. It includes two 24-volt 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and a dual-port charger, offering a runtime of 15 minutes for 7 inches of snow. The adjustable chute and LED light enhance usability, while the rubber-tipped steel auger ensures safe snow removal. This model is compatible with Snow Joe batteries, adding flexibility for users. In testing, the W Snow 18 proved effective for small to medium-sized areas with light snow. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, but the limited runtime may be insufficient for larger tasks. The 37-pound product number 5. WEN Snowthrower. The WEN Snowthrower is an affordable corded option priced at $139.71. It features a 15A motor capable of clearing snow 20 inches wide and 10 inches deep, throwing up to 900 pounds per minute. The adjustable chute rotates 180 degrees for precise snow placement, and dual LED lights improve visibility in dark conditions. Its lightweight design and compact frame make it easy to store and maneuver. During testing, the WEN Snowthrower delivered reliable performance for moderate snow conditions, throwing snow up to 29 feet. While the corded design ensures consistent power, it limits mobility compared to